Think of becoming narcissist-proof as building an invisible shield that protects you while allowing genuine connections to flourish. Let's explore 10 powerful strategies that will help you develop immunity to narcissistic manipulation and abuse. Number 1, develop your narcissist detection system. Just as your phone has antivirus software, you need internal scanning capabilities. Like you see on the screen, threat detected. You can watch for the early warning signs. Love bombing, rapid relationships, subtle put-downs masked as jokes, and that signature mix of grandiosity with sensitivity to criticism. Number 2, cultivate what I call manipulation immunity. Narcissists are masters at using charm, charisma, and confidence to disarm their targets. Train yourself to look beyond the dazzling personality and focus on behavior patterns. Does their spectacular charm come with strings attached? Do their actions match their magnetic words? Number 3, master the power of strategic pacing. Narcissists typically rush relationships and decisions, creating a sense of urgency that bypasses your natural caution. By consciously slowing down interactions, you maintain control of your boundaries. Don't be afraid to say, I need time to think about this, or let me get back to you tomorrow. Number 4, become an expert in narcissistic tells, and I have another video on that. Like a skilled poker player, learn to spot the subtle signs, the flash of rage when challenged, the consistent pattern of making everything about them, the skilled way they twist facts to avoid accountability, and the remarkable ability to play the victim while being the aggressor. Number 5, map your vulnerability points. This is your strategy. Understanding where you're most susceptible to narcissistic manipulation isn't a weakness, it's strategic self-knowledge. Maybe it's your desire for validation, your empathetic nature, or old wounds from past relationships. When you know your sensitive spots, you can protect them more effectively. Number 6, embrace radical truth-seeking, your own, and about them. This means accepting the narcissist's true nature without making excuses or hoping for change. It's about seeing clearly that their behavior isn't a communication problem you can fix. It's a fundamental pattern that serves their needs at your expense. Number 7, build your purpose-driven shield. When you're deeply connected to your own goals and values, narcissistic drama loses its power. Focus on developing your interests, nurturing your talents, and pursuing what makes your life meaningful. A strong sense of purpose becomes your protective armor. Number 8, practice selective disclosure. Be selective about who you share things with. While you may want to warn others about narcissistic behavior, choose carefully when and with whom you share your insights. Some people aren't ready to see these patterns, and forcing the issue can drain your energy and expose you to unnecessary conflict. Number 9, strengthen your self-trust fortress. Narcissists excel at making you doubt your perceptions and feelings. Building unshakable self-trust means honoring your intuition, validating your experiences, and maintaining firm boundaries even when others question them. And number 10, develop your support security system. Cultivate relationships with emotionally healthy people who can help you maintain perspective. These allies become your reality check when a narcissist tries to distort your perception of events or make you question your judgment. Remember, becoming narcissist-proof isn't about becoming cynical or closed off. It's about developing such strong internal security that narcissistic manipulation simply can't penetrate your psychological defenses. This protective capability allows you to remain compassionate and open-hearted while staying safe from toxic influence. Think of these strategies as installing a sophisticated security system in your psyche. With practice, your narcissistic proofing becomes automatic, allowing you to spot and deflect manipulation attempts while staying true to your authentic self. Your emotional security is worth this investment. As you implement these strategies, you'll find yourself becoming naturally resistant to narcissistic manipulation. And your capacity for genuine, positive connections will increase exponentially.